Hi. So many people have been asking me how I was able to achieve this look. It's pretty easy and simple. I'm gonna show you in real time. All you need is long hair, and it could be your natural hair that's long. My hair, I recently cut it, so it's not very long, but my hair is in passion twist that I did myself. Do you like it? But you could have your hair, you could have passion twist, you could have braids, locks, faux locks, Senegalese twist, whatever you want. But the two things you need to achieve the look is basically you want a satin lined headband like this, and you want satin lined because it's very gentle on your edges, as opposed to the cotton fabric, because you got a beautiful fabric on the outside and then the satin lining is gentle on your hairline underneath. And the other thing you need is just a simple elastic headband. A simple elastic hair tie like this. I also make scrunchies, but for this, a simple elastic hair tie would do. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your hair, long hair, don't care, and you're going to put it into a bun. Not too loose, you want it big and fluffy, but you're going to just basically create a very loose bun. The higher the better. Obviously not here, but you want it tall. And just do something simple like this and use your elastic to hold it in place. And there you go. You got a nice cute top knot bun. Then you're gonna come in with your satin lined headband. By the way, this is made by me. I sew all of my hair accessories, and you could buy them directly from my website at www.ayocathy.com, AYOCATHY.com. It's also linked in the caption and the comments below, but I have to give myself a little shout out here. But again, it's a satin lined headband, got a beautiful fabric on the outside. Fabric is imported from Lagos, Nigeria, and sewn by me here in the Bay Area. But you're basically going to put the satin lining you're gonna tie it from back to front. So it's satin lining on the back like this. Bring them together, make a loop like this, and there you go. You want it to be a little snug, not too tight to give you a headache, but you want it to be snug enough to stay the whole day. Then you have your two ends like your bunny ears. Then you're going to basically wrap them around each other, not too tight, again, loose, simple, easy, quick. Okay, I didn't keep track of how many times I wrapped them around each other, but again, just something simple and easy. Do whatever feels right in the moment. How about that? And then you got everything looped into one, twisted around each other into one. Then you're going to loop this around itself like this, and then the ends you will tuck in, and there you go. You have a bun and a bun. This is how I was able to create this look. Get it from the back and from the front, and that is it. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you want more tutorials like this where I'm talking through it. I like to do a mix of quick, like 10-second tutorials and also talk through tutorials. So let me know what you prefer and what you enjoy. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.